Hi, Shirley from ShiFio Patterns here today, and we are going to show you how to knit this design, this swatch. I think it is so unusual and really pretty. It's an 8-row repeat, which isn't too many. It's 9 stitches plus 3 stitches. So each of these is 9 stitches. And there's 3 added on at one end or the other to even it up and to give you this down here to match up the garter at the centre. So that's the front of it, and that is the back. The ribbing is also quite unusual, and as soon as I have it up on video I will have that in a link down below. That's something different as well, and you won't believe how it's done, but I can't tell you just now. You'll have to wait for the video, which will be the next one I'm going to do, so it should be linked down below quite soon. Right, let's get started. Right, so we're going to do it in the pink today, and this is a different rib as well. The link for that will be down below if you want to have a go at trying that out. We've got 30 stitches on, and that is 3 lots of 9 plus the extra 3, and we will just get started on that. So we start off with knit 2, and then the repeat is going to be yarn forward, knit 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yarn forward, knit 1. That's the repeat. Yarn forward, knit 8, yarn forward, knit 1. So we'll start that again. Yarn forward, knit 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yarn forward, knit 1. So we'll do that again. Yarn forward, knit 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yarn forward, knit 1, and you do that to the last stitch, knit 1. Okay, so that's your first row. Okay, row 2 is, get my fingers wrapped around here, knit 3, 1, whoops, 2, 3, knit 3. So the repeat is purl 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. So we started off with the knit 3, and then the repeat's going to be purl 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, and then knit 3. So we're going to do that again. Purl 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Do it a third time, which is purl 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, knit 3, and that's just repeated to the end. There we go, that's row 2. Right, row 3 is knit 3, 1, 2, 3. This is the repeat from here. Yarn forward, knit 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yarn forward, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's your repeat. So you started off with a knit 3, and then you did a yarn forward, and then you did a knit 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, yarn forward, knit 3. We'll do that again. Yarn forward, knit 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yarn forward, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Do it again. Yarn forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yarn forward, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. That was row 3. Getting there a little bit. Okay, row 4. Row 4 is knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4, purl 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now start your repeat from here, and it's going to be knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, purl 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and repeat that again. Knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, purl 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's repeated to your last 4 stitches, and it's knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that was knit 4, wasn't it? Yes, knit 4, purl 8, and then you started off your repeat with a knit 5, 2, 4, 5, purl 8, and then it's knit 5, purl 8 till the last 4 stitches, and you knitted 4. Okay, we're on row 5 now, and we are starting it off with a knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn forward, knit 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the repeat starts from here. Yarn forward, knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn forward, knit 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're repeating that to the last 4 stitches. So we're going to do that again, which is yarn forward, knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn forward, knit 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's to the last 4 stitches, and it's yarn forward, knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I will go over that. So you start off with a knit 4, yarn forward, knit 8, and then the repeat is yarn forward, knit 5, yarn forward, knit 8. So you're repeating yarn forward, knit 5, yarn forward, knit 8, and you do that to the last 4 stitches where you do yarn forward, knit 4. Okay? Okay, this is row 6. Do this one just slightly looser because it's the row before you do the knitting 4 stitches together. So we're starting off with a knit 5. Whoops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Purl 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the repeat is from here, and it's knit 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, purl 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and again this is to the last 5 stitches, and again it's knit 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, purl 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the last 5 stitches, and you knit 5. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that was row 6. Okay, this is row 7. So it is knit 5. 1, whoops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it is knit 4 through the back loop. So you put your, I'm sure you can see that, in through the back of those 4 stitches, yarn round, pull it through all 4, and then you knit the next 4 through the front, in through the front, as we would normally knit a stitch and take it through. Okay, so the repeat then is knit 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's knit 4 through the back loops, like that, knit 4 normally together, in through there, and knit them. There we go. And then it's knit 7, starting again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, knit 4 through the back loop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull it through, and then knit 4 through the front. There we go. And then you do that to your last 5 stitches, and you knit 5. 1, oops, that one's not caught. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll repeat that so you know what you're doing. So it's knit 5, then it's knit 4 through the back loop, knit 4 normally, and the repeat then is knit 7, knit 4 through the back loop, knit 4 normally, knit 7, knit 4 through the back loop, knit 4 normally, and that is done, repeated until the last 5 stitches, and then it's knit 5. That's your important row there when it gets them all together. So your last row then, which is row 8, this is row 8, and it's just a plain knit row. Every stitch you knit. I think this would make a lovely baby's blanket. It wouldn't be too hard to do either once you get your 8 rows going. I think it's quite an easy pattern to follow. You could add a few more stitches on the end, either end, so you've got a bigger garter stitch band. There we go, that's that completed. That's really nice, that. Do you know, I was just looking at that, and that would be really nice round the bottom, just round the bottom of a baby's cardigan. I'm just imagining that round the bottom, round the sleeve. Really nice, and then you would just start your stocking stitch on the way up. Very nice. And of course, the fancy ribbon there will be a link down below. So I hope you've enjoyed the video today. If you have, maybe you could like, subscribe, share, even leave comments if you wish. Tell me if I'm doing right or wrong so I can improve, because we're just starting out on this venture. So like, subscribe, share if you wish. And happy knitting.